So to take a trade, you can use this pending order button or you can use this instant execution button. So from this pending order button, when you click on it, you have your buy limit, which shows you that you want to buy at a lower price, lower than the current market price. So you can use a buy limit to set a pending order. But if you want to set an instant execution, you can just come to this button here, this arrow button, click on it, then select instant execution, select the lot size here, then the stop levels, you click here to set your stop levels. You can just place buy. So you see that the order has been bought right here, and you can see your stop loss level right here, and you can see your take profit level is at this point. Okay, so that is exactly how you set your order. If you want pending orders, you click on this point, then you can use buy limits. You have sell limits here, and you have buy stop here, and sell stop and buy stop limit, they are all limits order types. Then another order type you can use is just this instant execution button right here. When you click on it, there you can just see your buy or sell button instantly here. You can place your order instantly without placing your stop loss or your take profit. So that is how this one works. If you come to the trade section, so here in the trade section, that is where you will see the trade that you have. This is the trade we placed. Okay, so when you tap on it, you can see the option to either close it or modify the position. So if I want to close it, when I click on this close position, the order will be closed instantly. Then if I want to modify it, if I click on this modify, there I can change either the stop loss level or the take profit level. So when I'm done, I can just click modify. And if you want to close it instantly, you can just click on close and that will be closed. If you want to do a bulk operation, let's say I have so many orders and I want to do bulk operation, I'll just click on this bulk operation. Then I'll be able to close as many of those orders at the same time without having to do it individually one by one. So let's say I want to close. If I click on this close, then it will ask me whether I want to close 0.02 lot size at this point. If I want to close, I'll just say close buy of 0.02 by market with profit of, this will be the profit. I can do a partial closure by just reducing the lot size. So if I reduce the lot size by using this button here, maybe I want to close 0.1 instead of 0.2. So that would be a partial closure. Click on close. I've just closed 0.1. Initially, I was having 0.02. So I was having 0.02. I've just closed partially, closed half of it, and now I am left with 0.01 instead of the 0.02 that we began with. All right. So if you want to still close this last one, just click close button and then close. So that is also closed. So right now we don't have any other trade here at this point. So when you come to the history section, there you will see the initial balance. This was the opening balance here. You will see details of every positions you've had here. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.